Hi! In front of me is Motorola Moto G100, and today I would like to show you how you can customize theme of your keyboard with an image on this device. Start by opening settings and scrolling down. Now choose system, languages and the input, on-screen keyboard, and finally Gboard. Here you need to tap on themes and click on this plus sign under my themes. Now select a photo that you wish to apply, pinch it to scale and drag it to move. Then choose next and adjust brightness by swiping left or right. Finally select done and tap on the switcher next to keyboarders to disable or enable them. Now when I click apply and go back, I can see that theme of my keyboard has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!